everyone, what's up? Welcome to my channel. This is Sonam. So yeah, I have bought another haul video. It's in top haul. I have bought few tops from Myntra, all are under 500 rupees. Some are for casual use, some are for formal use, and I hope you'll enjoy watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you like this video. So let's get started. So the first one is this plain black top which I got it from H&M, and I really like the sleeve of this top, and its boat neck is also really attractive. The material is 95% polyester and 5% elastin. The thing about this top is you cannot wear it in summer season or a humid place if like Chennai, but winter is right around the corner. You can definitely use at that time. Otherwise it's a good purchase, but definitely not for summer season. So another purchase is this top from Tokyo Talkies, and this is really beautiful green color floral print top which has this elastic at the back, and it has this V-neck at the front and button closer. So it has a soft sleeve, and material is viscose rayon. Being a short girl, I think this fitted me quite well, but I'm wondering for those who are taller, I think for them it will be quite small, but it's up to them. Otherwise the material is quite good and the top is also very good. So the next purchase is this top from the brand Myra, and it's a navy blue striped A-line t-shirt. It has this bottom on the sleeve to adjust the length. This t-shirt top is quite good for formal use. You look really attractive, and also you can use for a casual use. You can pair it with white jeans or blue jeans. And the price is also quite good. You can definitely wear it for summer. Front design is something like this, and the top is exactly as shown in the picture, but it doesn't have an extra small size, so I bought it in size small. Another purchase is this blue v-neck jersey top from H&M, and this is also 95% polyester and 5% elastin. The top is quite soft, but definitely again you cannot wear in summer, though it's a sleeveless, but the material doesn't let you wear in summer, but definitely spring is near and winter season is near. You can definitely wear on those season. Last but not the least, this top is again from the brand Myra. This is a blue floral printed top. It also has this boat neck and 3/4 sleeve, and also a belt attached. Those girls who have this broad shoulder I think this top will look definitely good on them. But frankly speaking, I didn't like much about this top because the first thing is it's a little bit larger than I expected, and the material is also not good. I didn't like much about this top. That's it for today's video. I hope you like it. See you in my next video. Until then, take care. Tata. Bye bye.